Here's something smart people figure out early. Big goals don't happen by accident. In book 4, the focus shifts from reacting to thinking ahead. That's project management. It's deciding what needs to happen, in what order, and who's responsible before you start. Project management isn't about expecting things to go wrong. It's about giving yourself a clear path forward. When you break a project into steps, your brain stays focused and confident. That's how ideas turn into results. Today's challenge: plan one small project from start to finish. A school assignment, a creative project, something you've been putting off. Use the worksheet that you download from books.buildskills.org. Go to the downloads page. You'll see it there. And use the worksheet to map out the steps, the timing, and the task. Project management is a skill, and today you are practicing it. See you tomorrow for day 21.